Hi, welcome to DAX 3 English 2. What is my history? My name is Angie Paola Mesa Muñoz. I am dedicated, spontaneous, responsible, and committed person. Now you will know a little about my history. I was born on September 15, 1997. The Hospital Military Central in the city of Bogota. Where I was helping her with white snake leaf ace. I was also the first danger of my parents' marriage. I have a brother who was born on January 21, 2007, also in Bogota. They were my parents. He and I lived most of childhood. More exactly, until I was 8 years old. In 2010, we moved to the municipality of Chiquinquirá, located in Boyacá. I was very friendly girls, smiling and a bit rebellious. I really like playing with my friends, going for walks with my family, and participating in dance groups and at my school. First steps. I remember my hometown was congested and a bit dangerous. In such a way that access to certain place was a bit complicated. I got my first years of study in Bogota and the school Gimnasio Cáceres where a student up to seventh grade. There I was somewhat careless disobedient student. However, I made many friends that I always carry in my heart and with whom I share very beautiful moments. High school. Then in Chiquinquirá, I graduated from high school at the Julio Flores Industrial Technical School in 2013, where I was a more dedicated and committed student. Before graduating as a group, we decided to visit place called the of Moanque, located in Saboya. It was very fun and enjoyable day for everyone. We even decided to get wet together in a beautiful river. The following year, I began my technical studies as a nursing assistant, which I completed on August 29, 2015. Higher education. Subsequently, began study the auxiliary technician in pharmaceutical service program, which culminated in Raleigh 2017. I am currently studying the UPTC under the modality of distance. starts. When on tour fighting, my dad organized a very nice party for me, and I was accompanied by my whole family. We all enjoyed together and shared unique moments. Became the mother of a beautiful child on September 10, 2005. My son was born in the regional hospital of Chiquinquirá. Thanks.